Hello, guys. This is Cold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD for 8th August 2023. Before we begin our analysis, as usual, let's just begin what we predicted yesterday about how is gold going to behave today. And as you can see, this is not 6th, this is 7th. 6th was a Sunday, today is a Monday. So this was written accidentally. So first thing I wrote here, if you will see that gold on hourly time frame remains bearish. Only if gold breaks above 1955 and forms a bullish price action can gold become bullish. And if you see this, my logic behind, I told you why 1955, if price goes about 1955 will be become bullish, because if you see here, the last major swing high from where we gave this massive breakdown, okay, was 1955. Okay, and after that we have not even managed to break even this 1945 level also. Okay, even this level is acting as a resistance right now. But this block over here which you see, this 1930 to 1920 level, this is very important because you see we are very close to the, you see the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so so this area has become very important, and you can see the importance of this area by seeing this wicks. Okay, every time there's a sell, sellers come here, buyers come and defend this area, okay, aggressively. Right now what I am expecting, see today also, if you'll see, price came to retest this area, and right now I don't think there is the volume or the necessary volatility to push it below. But tomorrow there can be, price can still come down further, subject to, we have to see whether dxy is rallying or not. And if dxy is rallying, maybe price can come down a little bit further and then bounce back also. But understand, all levels below this are going to act as very strong resistances. All right. So like I told you, this area 1955 area roughly, this is the major resistance. Okay, so what we want basically, what I expect after the cpi data is gold to form this sort of price action, break out above this 1955 level, give a pullback, and then rally like this. Okay, this is what I want. So the price action will change from bearish price action. Bearish price action means it is forming lower lows, as you can see here. This low, the low of, I mean, higher lows, I'm sorry. So the first higher low was formed around 1987, next higher low was formed around 1980, third higher low 1970, fourth higher low was somewhere around 1955, and the fifth higher low around 1945. So I want this level to break. Okay, this 1955, if suppose we manage to, break like this, give a pullback, and then we start going up, you will see this is basically a sorts of double bottom we are forming, a kind of double bottom you can say, and the neckline is somewhere around like 1945. But I want this area 1955. I'll be more, there will be more confirmation if we break above this 1955 level, and also break out this of this channel that you see right here. If both of these happen, gold will become super bullish, and this time we will break about 2000 also. Okay, now the event, this chart buster event coming is this Thursday, is the US core CPI and CPI data. If that data is in favor of gold, I am damn sure we will break out of this channel and we can see 2000 plus on gold itself. All right. Now, second thing, what yeah, we'll just continue. This I was just reading out. Like I said, our trades of for Monday, like for today, depends on the dollar index and euro USD. I was mainly looking at DXY today, and based on the DXY, the trades which I gave worked out very well. My first trade itself, from the top, it gave almost like a 80 to 90 pip move. My second trade also gave a 30-40 pip move. After that, the price went up. There in my third trade, I predicted correctly that it was just operator, playing games. He was just engaging in pump and dump scheme. And you saw, like, I will show you my trades, all the trades which I shared with you today, and you will see operator engaged in the pump and dump scheme. He just pumped up the price and then dumped it. Okay, don't worry, we'll get to that. And I told you, for buy or sell entries, we can use Fibonacci levels in conjunction, means in with together with DXY levels also, uh, to take our trades. Anyways, we'll go down. I told Monday there was no major news, so expect market to follow technicals more. All right, enough of talk. Now let's just get to gold. One more thing I wanted to do. we'll just watch other currency pairs also. DXY, if you will see today, I had mornings, it was somewhere around like 102 point, somewhere around here, 102.05 or 06. I predicted correctly that it will give a pullback till here. It gave some sort of a correction also, but I will tell you, DXY is still bullish, because if you will see, it's sorts of, you will see it's like a W pattern. Okay, and if you'll see, all the bullish signs are there. There is a support over here, there is this channel which will act as a support over here. DXY has not even broken through here, so as long as this price remains within this channel, okay, and no major news comes, we can expect DXY to shoot up. Okay, and uh, if we break, the CPI news does not come in favor, DXY will break this channel and become super bullish. Okay, if that happens, gold will, crack like anything. So DXY, there is, still hasn't become fully bearish. Okay, it can still reverse up from here, so we can see some more correction in gold. It's still possible. Okay, now let's move on to the next major currency pair that affects the gold. That is the Euro USD. Euro USD, if you will see, it has, somehow it has, given a channel breakout. Okay, but we have to see whether it sustains or not. You can, because of the DXY, if it rallies from here, Euro USD cannot sustain basically this up move. Okay, so it depends on that. All right. um, so, 1 second. I will keep it this way only. I will not extend it. Okay. Anyways, like I said, if the Euro USD, if it rallies, DXY will fall. But if the dollar index starts rallying, then, this can come down. What I want to see in Euro USD, okay, if we, come out of this channel, if like this, okay, we break out above this channel, give a pullback like this, and if DXY, I mean Euro USD rallies like this, then we can see some fall, good fall in DXY also. Okay, right now, it's not confirmed, but if this price action is formed, definitely Euro USD will become bullish. Right now it's not become bullish. Okay, next currency pair, let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD has also given a breakout, but still I won't believe it, because we are below the 200 EMA. Again, similar type of price action which I want to see in GBP USD is like this sort of price action. Okay, it pulls back, and then if it goes up like this, then I have more belief that GBP has become bullish again. Otherwise, I don't trust it. All right. Okay. Now to the final currency pair, JPY. JPY though is bullish only. There is no doubt about that. It is, going to. It has taken support at 200 EMA, and it is going to give a breakout about this channel also. All right. Okay. So we have covered all these currency pairs. Now let's finally get back to our beloved gold. Gold we will analyze in multiple time frames. If you will see, uh, we'll do one thing, we'll keep it to daily basis. Okay, to, keep confusions very less. Daily basis also, even if you see, the you can very clearly see the price action. Okay, I'll just show you the head and shoulder pattern is there, but we need to break above this, especially the 1955 level and this channel basically. Only then this gold can shoot up like this about 2000. Okay, that's what we are looking for. So this is a good place to, take an entry, if you want to buy positional. All right. So that's the thing. And even on daily basis also, you can see the negative, the downward sloping price action like this. See how clear it is on the daily chart. You can see basically we are running in a channel on the daily chart of gold. All right, not irritating you much further. uh, let's go to our favorite time frames, which is the 4 hours and the 1 hour. So we are now at the 4 hour. What I feel right now, what I have shared with you guys in my Telegram channel, I don't think there is the volume or the volatility to push it down further. Most likely tomorrow, if DXY runs in our favor, we can at least come till here. We can expect price to again retest this high. If DXY falls further and price does something of this, definitely buy gold. Okay, that will be my view. But if let's say tomorrow the second scenario is, if price consolidates here, okay, and DXY is constantly rising tomorrow, then we can, from here itself we can short. But don't short for big targets, small targets, like a 30, 40 pip or a 50 pip target, not much. Okay, don't expect this big of a target. That's not gonna come. Maybe we can, temporary fall below this channel. Okay, this can be done by the operators just to get entry at very very cheap prices. But otherwise, I don't expect very much downfall also. Okay, upside seems more likely right now. So that's the 4 hour chart I told you. So tomorrow, gold trades will specifically depend on the DXY levels. All right. Now we'll also see the 1 hour chart also. 1 hour also, if you'll see, that's the same story. Like I said, it's going to form a sort of like a W pattern, and seems like it will reverse upside only. So that's all my view for gold is for tomorrow. Just we'll go through once again if there is any major data coming also for tomorrow. Just give me a second. So for tomorrow, if you will see, um, there is I don't see any major data tomorrow. Any highly volatile. Okay, there is one. There is the German CPI data. This data specifically affects the Euro USD. If German CPI, we have to see if CPI is more than expectation, then euro should generally rise. Why? Because the probability of rate hike increases, and when rate hike increases, when interest rate increases, a currency generally strengthens. So when euro strengthens, dollar weakens, and we should see some fall in gold also. All right. A rise in gold because dollar will weaken if euro strengthens. So that's one data. But other than that, tomorrow there is not much major data. Yeah, there is this EIA short-term energy outlook, but I don't think it's going to affect gold much. So that's all my analysis is for today. Anything else update, I will definitely keep you posted in my Telegram channel. So please, guys, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you once again. Let's hope we make money tomorrow as well. Okay, okay. One more thing I forgot. Today's trades. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I told you guys that I'll show you my today's trades also. So here, if you will see, this is my public group, public Telegram group. You can join it. It's in the link. The link is in the description below. So if you will see, today morning, I'll show you from today morning itself how gold went actually. Just give me a second. So yeah, so as you can see, this was the chart which I shared yesterday with you guys. Okay, and today morning, if I'll see, if I'll show you, DXY was around 102.08, and I told that DXY is going to come to this level. Okay, and based on that rising DXY, I had given a sell trade between 1941 to 46, stop loss 1947, for targets 1939 and 1935. Okay, and I pointed out that gold should come to retest this area. I had written over here, because of rallying DXY, gold facing selling pressure. If gold comes around 1935 to 30 region, we can buy gold positionally as well. Here also I had written. Okay, and in the morning you could see Euro USD was falling, GBP was falling, Japanese yen was falling, and here the fall started. Okay, so gold, if you'll see, came to I gave around 1942 somewhere my sell trade, and see gold came 1938, DXY started rallying, then 1937, 1936. Then DXY, gave a bullish candle, and gold starts falling even further. 1935. Then you will see. I'll show you more. Then this when this gold made this rise over here, this was my T3 basically, third trade which I gave. If you'll see, I'll just show you. First, the second trade was actually I only gave for risky traders. I mean, like, if you want a very chances of stop loss were high, so I gave a sell call around 1937. That also gave a good 30 pip move from there, 30 to 40 pip move. All right. Then my third trade was the most epic one. If you will see, I had told somewhere over here when the American session started, I told that there is going to be some sort of pump and dump by the operator. Okay, so I told here, be on alert, guys. If there is a sudden drop or rise in price today, there is no news. So expect some shenanigans today. Shenanigans meaning some, pranks by or some, yeah, we can say a sort of pranks by these big guys. Okay, trying to hit our stop loss like that. So here I had given my trade that sell gold around 1930, stop loss 1942, for targets 30, 50, and 100 pip, and all our targets came. I gave my trade based. I had my opinion that operator had entered here. Okay, price if you will see of gold almost made a high of around 1941.57. So barely missed our stop loss. Our stop loss was around 1952. But you can see right here easily, like from the top of 1942, if you will say this is almost like 40-50 pip move. Then it gave you know 100 pip move also it gave almost, because it came till like 1930, almost 1930. So so we can say T3 was also a great success, and this is my T4 which I have given for those who want to take positionally gold. Somewhere around 1931 I told you to buy. 1931 came, uh, to hold it positionally with a stop loss of 1920 for targets of like 1955 to 1970. Let's see how T4 pans out positionally. uh, let's see how T4 plays out, and let's see how tomorrow goes. Then that's all. Thank you, and have a great day.